In this video tutorial, we will cover the convenience fee feature found in your eDirectGlass system. To activate the convenience fee, go to your cogwheel, followed by Financial. And in the financial settings, under convenience fee, go ahead and enable it and enter the convenience fee percentage that you would like calculated against the total of the invoice to show the convenience fee total and the cash total. So we have set that up now, and we'll click on Save. Now we'll go ahead and go to a record, and in this record we will see now, for instance, and this has to be a cash customer, so this only applies on the owner invoice portion. So here you can see if they're paying by check, credit card, or debit, the cash balance would be $1165.98. However, if they are going to pay by some other method, which could be Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Diners, whatever, you can now click on Apply Convenience Fee. Do you want to apply it? You say yes, and it will now add that convenience fee and update the balance. So you can see here it added $46.64, and it updated the balance due now of $12.12.62. So now let's say the customer comes in, or they send a check, or they pay by cash, or you run their ATM, which is just like cash. Go back to the original balance or the cash balance, all you have to do is click on this and click on delete line. So removing that CONV fee line will now simply reset it back, and you can see the convenience application balance is still available if you wanted to reapply it. However, the cash balance is here. Now, we do strongly recommend that you check with your local state regulatory laws with regards to charging convenience fees, and or definitely your merchant or your bank. There are some states or some merchants, some credit cards that your wording or how you apply the charge has to happen in a certain way. One of the key things that convenience fees do usually have as far as rules is they shouldn't exceed the amount that you're charged when you do charge your credit card. So let's say you're using PayPal, and PayPal takes 3.25% when you run a credit card. Also make sure too that you see the other fees. Sometimes there's another 0.25% that goes towards like your monthly fee. So in this case, if you wanted to do 3.5%, you would be in a safe area to do so. There are occasionally audits, or when merchants ask for things, or maybe a customer makes a stink about it, you could end up being in trouble or losing your merchant account or something like that. So we strongly recommend that you use this, responsibly, and also if you don't have to charge a convenience fee, and maybe you can mark that up somewhere else in your labor or something else, we would say do that. But that is how you use the convenience fee feature found in eDirectGlass. If you do need any support or help regarding this or anything else, remember, bottom right hand side of the screen, click on that live chat button to contact our support, and we will get with you. Thank you for using eDirectGlass, and have a great day.